Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Cynthia and thank you guys so much for stopping by. Anyway guys, in this video I am going to share with you guys how I wash my chicken and also why I wash my chicken. Anyway guys, let's dive right into this video. Okay guys, to wash your chicken you will either need a apple cider vinegar. If you don't have that, you can just use plain vinegar. You will also need lemon, and if you don't have lemon, you can also use lime juice. We wash our chicken just to get rid of the extra odor which sometimes stays even after you've put in all your lovely spices. So yeah, okay, let's pray. Okay guys, what I'm going to do now is just transfer my chicken into this bowl. I also need to add some water in my bowl. This is just cold water in the bowl. When washing my chicken with apple cider vinegar, I put about 4 teaspoons or 3 teaspoons of this in the water. But today I am going to be using just vinegar and my lemon. I normally don't measure, but for the purpose of this video I will be putting I am going to use 4 to 5 large spoons of malt vinegar. Just pour it inside like so. 2, 3, 4, 5. Mix. Next I'm going to slice and squeeze in my washed lemon. Just gonna put it in there and put it in there, and I'm going to basically just put my chicken inside and like so in the water. This takes away the raw chicken odor which sometimes you can perceive even though you've spiced your chicken properly. So yeah, rub on the chicken. Let's squeeze out like so. Then I'm going to cover it and let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. You can also add baking soda to this mixture also, but on this occasion I don't have baking soda at home, so I'll do it this way. Okay guys, it's been about 15 minutes, so I'm just going to take it out, give it a rinse. With some of them I'm taking off the skin, but I'm leaving the skin for some, not all, just some of them. So, and I'm just going to throw this water away and the other skin which I've taken out. My chicken are ready to be seasoning, so I will need the same bowl which I have rinsed, and you will also need a kitchen towel. I'm going to pat it dry just because I'm going to grill this chicken and I don't need the excess fluid from them, so basically you just patting it dry like so, and then just to take out the any extra water basically. Okay guys, this is my chicken all washed with vinegar and lemon, all ready to be seasoning. I hope you guys found this video beneficial. Anyway guys, I will see you in another video. Bye now.